day, Rick and I had a little situation that was we won't go into details, but it was a little bit of a worry to us. And we went to the sheriff's department because we wanted to run it by somebody who should know better, just to kind of make sure we were doing what we needed to do and we weren't in any trouble, and that they would help us if we needed it. But, and we waited and we waited. They were busy, so I know they got things to do. And we waited in the cold and lonely lobby, which has some beautiful photography in there, by the way. We were kind of wondering who paid for that. And would the photographer donate all those beautiful prints for exposure? But I don't know who in there would be buying all these prints. So anyway, we passed the time. We waited quite a while, and then we did wind up talking to a sheriff who took us to this little room and said, "Now, what's going on here, guys?" So we explained it. And as we were explaining it, every time we added a little more detail, we just saw the guy rolling his eyes. He's like, really, guys? I think you guys are overreacting," was his words. So we'd say, "Oh, come on, we just need to know," and we tried to get some details, and we wanted to know what our options were. And again, rolling the eyes. So I'm just waiting out this song here so I can get to the chorus. Here we go. Sheriff Darewood was an asshole. Sheriff Darewood didn't care. He thought our worries were just hassles, with his nose up in the air. Let's sing it together again. Sheriff Darewood was an asshole. He didn't care. Sheriff Darewood didn't care. Thought our worries were just hassles, with his nose up in the air. Now, I'd like to say at this point that I have tremendous respect for law enforcement. They do a great job. They do things I would never want to do. And when I'm at concerts and things and they're patrolling, I always thank them, because I can't believe having to deal with the kind of people they have to deal with. And I try to have respect for them, but I've never experienced such discompassionate, unprofessional behavior. After he heard enough of us, he goes, "We're through. I have to go do some other work." Wouldn't let us file a report, wouldn't let us talk anymore. "We're done here." Dismissed us. And I thought that was not a very nice thing to do for someone who's supposed to represent the people. Sheriff Darewood was an asshole. Sheriff Darewood didn't care. He thought our worries were just hassles, with his nose up in the air. Patty, you want to play one line of a little melody there? Make it pretty. Sheriff Darewood didn't care. Thought our worries were just a hassle, with his nose up in the air. Thank you for listening to my rant.